But
Yeah,
yeah, I've got massive FOMO right now. It's like, like the average person, they can't put and that's one thing that I'm like a little bit ticked off again with these projects is like the average person can't put $140,000 into a JPEG, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
you're
one hundred
playing with
percent.
kids, and you're someone's gonna like Chris Camillo, he can do it. For him, 140,000. I mean, this is like what he should be doing. When you're a multimillionaire, you need to like you're not gonna go and buy $100 of Apple stock or buy call options. You're gonna buy like real estate, commercial real estate, or and this is like now an option now too,
Yeah,
commercial NFT buying. But
100%. By the way, check out these Solana shades I got.
oh, these are awesome.
My Solana
That's
shades.
a
Whoa, I can
rare
actually
item.
see my monitor. That's funny. I can see my Mac clearly, but my desktop like monitor, like I can't see anything on it. Well, I
You look
mean,
like an NFT with like the background, and you have like the white shirt, and like that could be like a person, like a trait.
right, right. Okay, so real quick, I just started streaming. So $2.2 million offer on this Bored Ape, which we're trying to figure out. Actually, do they post their rarities on here? Let's go to Bored Ape.
Yeah, let me
Yeah.
take a look. Let's see if we can.
Roadmap, Providence. What the hell is this? Mutant Ape Club Roadmap. Now, I sold my
So
mummy.
it's a zombie
Oh,
yacht.
okay.
That's yeah. 3% are well the eyes. So the eyes are zombie eyes.
Wait, where do you see
Three
that? Is it? Oh, Rarity 2 is right here.
in OpenSea. If you go to, you can check here too, but in OpenSea under properties, if you find the NFT 8811,
Okay, okay, yeah, so
yeah,
8811.
just yep, and then just under description properties, yeah.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, 3%, and he's unshaven. That's very rare. A diamond
He's actually got a lot
stud.
of rare stuff. Yeah, he's got the
Oh,
black
yeah.
hole T-shirt, diamond studs, flipped. What is this? Flip brim.
Dude, I can't believe this was May. Like, my ass was still doing stock market stuff with
I
getting
know.
wrecked on Coinbase call options. Like, why was it? Like, I should have stuck with my passion, man, which is crypto. And if I had put oh my god, what?
Are you
I,
able to see like the listing history, like how it? What was the first mint price?
yeah, yeah. Let's look. Well, this yeah, the mid range was probably close to like $200 or something, right? But look, it was first bought. Wait, these are offers. Hold on.
You go to history and then just do sales. How many sales has there?
Trading history. Look, he just minted it. This is it. There's no sales history. This guy just minted it. Now he's gonna get 2 million. Accept it, dude. Accept it. Sauce. Yeah, huh.
Oh wow! So he
This.
never bought it from somebody. He's just had this since mint.
You
That is
had
insane.
it since mint. That is amazing.
I think that might be like in the world, like the best ROI in human history. Like 2 million to zero.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm getting some feedback. Where is that coming from?
Yeah, we should have been minting these instead of
I know.
selling call
I
options.
know. Like I should have been minting this, dude. Instead of losing $100,000 on Coinbase calls. Oh, I tripled down on that too, man. Dude. Oh my goodness, I sold my Solana, and I added to the I had like 500
So
Solana back
you know
then.
what's crazy, and this is like social arb too. Like back in like June, this real estate agent that I follow on Instagram randomly posted that they had this Bored Ape Yacht Club, and this was when like CryptoPunks were kind of getting popular, and I'm like, I don't know what, I just skipped it. I didn't even think about it,
Yeah.
and he probably got in at like 5 or 6 ETH,
Damn.
and that was social arb right there. He was just a random real estate agent. He must have found out from one of his like customers, like, oh, I'm also into NFTs,
Mm-hmm.
and he never sold it. He also has a CryptoPunk.
Man, hold on. Let's
Um,
go to Crypto Punks on here. I remember it was like last year, like or something like that. A CryptoPunk was like you could buy one for like 2 to 5 ETH, and I remember I recall I want to find out history. So let's go to history. Let's go to recently listed. No, sorry, recently sold. Because I want to know when were they that price? Average price 20. What? No, sorry, on this guy. 24. God, 7 months ago, February. So I want to say, let's go to a different one. Like end of last year, I thought they were like 2 or 5 ETH.
That was happening. That happened right when GameStop, like that whole. I remember that mid Feb was when like deep fucking value was on like CNBC and like the whole short squeeze was happening.
Yeah. This girl, 99, holy, 6 months ago. So I want to see something from like 10, 12 months ago. I want to know what that was. Point 0.2 ETH. No, that's a bid. That's a bid. Hold on. Because I was like I'm not spending $5,000 on this pixelized. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, look at that! Look at that right here, right here. A year ago, 4.45 ETH. So last September, dude. Last September, like I made $60,000 on Neo. I was so focused on that. Like that was when I opened up my Neo position. God, dude. See, it just. I wish I had the power to clone myself. I was like, okay, you focus on Neo, and then over here, what's going on in crypto?
Yeah.
Ah.
Was does it like what was Bitcoin doing back then? Like I think Bitcoin was just getting ready to ramp up, right?
Oh
It was
yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah. It might have been
over time.
$10,000. Oh, let's go to Bitcoin. Oh, let me go. Wait.
So I kind of think the prices of NFTs moved with the Bitcoin run up.
Yeah, yeah. So it's September last year. Yes, look at that. Like not even, dude. Look at this. This is still accumulation right here. Bitcoin is $10,000. Yep. $10,000. Basically, this was a COVID. I almost got margin called, but I fixed that. I bought some more ETH around here, and then I didn't really buy too much Bitcoin. I was already good with Bitcoin. I was buying a lot of ETH and Polkadot in this range. And then October, September. Dude, this was Neo. I was so focused on Neo. Damn, dude. And this is when this took off, and CryptoPunk was 4 ETH. Oh,
I'm thinking because that time was when they were printing all the stimulus checks, right? We were finding out
yeah.
that they were going to do like a second check and then a third check, and Dumb Money was putting out all those videos of like where they're going to spend their money, so they were buying all the momentum stocks. And I think that's what pushed Neo up too, because people were putting their stimulus into Neo.
Yep.
Uh,
Exactly. Neo, crypto, Dogecoin. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, let's look at her. 102 ETH. This was 12 days ago.
One thing I'll say though is, so I had a weird DM come because of that Soul Socks project I'm working on, and this guy essentially was like, "Hey, um, if you're interested, I'm in a network of whales, and if we select your project, we'll all like buy it. We need to have, you need to send us NFTs, and then we will push it, and we will sweep the floors. We'll make it like, we'll set it at like 50 Solana." So
Wait,
there
how
are
did?
some sketchy stuff that could be going on in this space.
Oh, 100%. But like, why did he even reach out to you? Because of Soul Socks?
Yeah, because of Soul Socks. He just found us through Twitter. So he just messaged saying he wants to promote the product, and then I was trying to see what exactly he's gonna do. And he's like, "Oh well, I know some whales and other projects on ETH and like pudgy penguins and stuff." So he's like, "Oh, I can get the whales in those projects to support your project."
Okay. But dude, be careful you don't get scammed.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna do that because I don't. Yeah. He was like, "I need ETH," and I'm.
Oh yeah, he wants money from you. Yeah,
Yes.
no, scam.
Yeah.
Like if you want to buy it, just buy it, right? And look at this. So for 2 years, this is 2 years ago, 2019, September 2019. What was going on then? September 2019. Oh, this was dude. I remember this Bitcoin chart just like back of my hand, dude. This. I remember. I bought Bitcoin at 12,000 in this range, and then I saw this descending triangle breakdown. And yeah, 2019 I was still doing crypto. I was just buying through here, but I wasn't looking at NFTs, man. I wasn't, it wasn't even my radar in 2019. Oh,
Yeah, I think the first time I heard about NFTs was when the Roblox IPO was happening, and then I think it was CNBC that was saying there was like some kid that was selling NFTs, or maybe it was Beeple.
yeah.
Remember when that came up on like the news? There was like the most highest NFT transaction. This was like back in like April or May, which now, if you look back, it was still early. Uh,
What is my Twitter? JDV. It's Leon Gabon here. Just here at Leon Gabon. Um, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. No,
Leon,
I'm sticking to crypto, man. I'm just all crypto options. I'll trade Tesla options. I'll do the wheel on Tesla and a wheel on Roblox just for income, but I'm sticking with crypto, dude. And look how clean this punk is. You could 2 years ago, 2019, you could have bought him for less than half an ETH. Oh,
this is playing out exactly like the ICO, like 2017 rush.
yes. Yeah. So you remember crypto for 2017, then, right?
Oh yeah,
So
it's
you were class of 2017 or class of 2013?
2017.
2017. So remember, like it ramped up like in 2017, like that summer. I mean, like it was insane, right? Because like, dude, companies were raising like $20 million in like 30 minutes, right? Like it kept going. Like there was like a new ICO like every freaking week, and we go to ICO alerts and try to figure out which ICO was coming, when it was hitting the exchange. Just like now, it's like, okay, when's the mint? What's the price? How many? When does it hit the secondary market? Well, those are the considerations that goes in, right? You have people like on Twitter. You have these guys who own a six-figure Bored Ape or six-figure CryptoPunk, and they're telling people like only buy art you're gonna hold for long term. Dude, people want to make money, bro. So I'm speaking as a flipper here. Like, yeah, I got an NFT that I'm gonna some NFTs I'm gonna hold into next year. Nothing I'm gonna hold for 10 years. If I had a CryptoPunk, yeah, but no.
So Gary Vee was on a space yesterday that I was listening to, and he was like, when I buy NFTs, I'm holding them for like a decade. And like VFriends, he said some interesting stuff about VFriends. Like his end goal is, if he owns the jets, he wants a portion of that to go to VFriend. So he's like, the value of this project is unlimited, and people don't realize that yet. So
Oh yeah.
he was basically telling everyone that he still believes that VFriends is still deeply undervalued, based on, because he's like, I still have 30 years left to live, so like all value that I create in the next 30 years will go to VFriends. And he's like, I'm more bullish on VFriends than my $300 million company. And this is the first time
Shit.
that I'm ever launching a project where my early supporters will now directly benefit from all the success. Like he's like, all my other businesses, like the wine company and everything, he never could give. Like it'd be the rich folks, like the Series A investors, that would get all the return. This is the first time with VFriends, he has a mechanism to give them and unlock value for all of them. So it was pretty interesting the way he kind of put it. And
Yeah. Well, maybe I should buy these VFriend right here. Pea salad.
Be careful with Gary Vee stuff. Like I've had like people in the wellness community that have like met him, and I mean obviously he's a fucking powerful brand, right? I mean, no joke about that part. But they're like, you know how he does these whole seminars, and like they paid him like $10,000 to have like a booth, and like, you know, was that part of the marketing budget, and it's like, okay, it did nothing for them. You know what I mean?
Well, but okay, hold on. I get that. But like,
Who knows, right? So,
no, it did nothing for them. But did they execute? Did they do what he told them to do? Like that's, you could say that about any, you could say that about any workshop. You 20% of the people that go to a workshop.
I own an Instagram brand, right? I mean, it's like it's Hulu. It's a shit show. So the people who make the most money are the ones who are the brand. So, which is fine, right? I mean, like I don't. I mean, who knows what the fuck is worth what. So I would not touch Gary Vee stuff. on this. But yeah, what the fuck? I just paid 10 soul for like two jumpy.
Yeah. Like, no, I'm not defending very Gary because he's Gary or whatever. It just like yeah. When you go to a workshop, there's gonna be 80% of people that don't do shit, and they're not gonna get anything out of that workshop. They wasted their money.
No. This was like a guy who owned something and he wanted to promote. So you know how outside the workshop you have like these preferred Gary V vendors or whatever. So which you gotta pay for, of course. He was like, yeah, fuck this, it wasn't good at all. So,
Well, there is some utility. Man, I should have looked at the prices of VFriends like months ago, but this might double in 6 months. Who knows?
Like NFT, I think
I mean,
like you're right.
guys, think about it. Sorry, Ash, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say like what's different. I think this time is there is direct proof of ownership. Like, and you can see what. Like, you know, before, if he could scam you at a conference or he could sell $1,000 ticket, but with this now, like, there's a way that he can actually reward those people, right?
Yeah.
I think that's why the value is going to go up more and more.
Because these things give you like certain ones give you access to them. Like you can actually have dinner with them if you own a specific one, or go to this conference and V conference or whatever it's called. So there is stuff like that. What I find is funny.
His end goal is to eventually own the Jets. So say that's a $500 million purchase, and say he says, I want to give 5% of the ownership, split amongst all the V friends. So he can do that, and it's all on the blockchain, and that could be a massive utility for owners, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta be bullish. So I think you get it too. It's like kind of like a call option on the person. So Danny Cole, which is the Creatures owner guy, the reason he invested in Creatures is because he's bullish on Danny Cole. So buying Creatures is like buying Danny Cole. As long as like Danny Cole does well, Creatures will do well. So he was kind of talking about that too. Like it's a bet on the person.
Yeah.
If you have spare liquid, don't mind looking at Gelmo on OpenSea. I don't know.
I mean, if the liquidity dries up, guys, and we are heading into a nice 15-20% correction and Bitcoin's at 20, all this shit is going to be worth like nothing.
Well, a lot of I don't think Bitcoin gets back to 20, but yeah, like a lot of NFT projects are gonna go to zero. There are just too many. It's just like ICOs.
And we're gonna have NFT bear markets.
But VFriends, I would say VFriends, CryptoPunks, that kind of stuff. That's blue chip. That hangs around. But like the thousands of different projects in OpenSea, yeah, they're gonna be zero.
Hey Leon, is Solanart down? I'm not even able to see my nefs, but when I connect my wallet,
Solanart, let's look.
that.
No, I was able to get to it.
I mean, it's when I connect my wallet, I don't see my nefs.
Oh, you mean when you go to wallet on here?
Yeah.
I see mine. Let me refresh.
You see your fracs?
Oh, you don't see them because they haven't plugged it in yet. That's why you have to see it. They're not selling that version. That's why you can't see it.
They're selling the resale ones, yeah.
They have original fracs, but they don't have Synapsis yet. I don't think. I think it's coming though. Right here, it's coming.
And float is not that.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Let's see if it's sold out yet. I bought two.
It's still minting. It's still minting.
No, it's sold out. Sold
You get
out.
another one?
It's sold out.
It is sold out. Okay, cool.
No, I bought a second one. Check it out. This guy right here.
Tell me.
Oh wait. Well, where is he? Oh wait, it's on my Theta. Hold on. I got a black. I think this looks like yours, right?
Oh, the same as mine. Yeah.
Yeah, I think these are common.
Hold on. No, go to the left and
The
click
left?
on that black and white one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and scroll down, properties.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's the same as mine. Yeah.
Color rarity 1560. I guess high numbers are bad. Circle count art. I think rarity is important. Okay, let's look at the orange one. Oh, 510. Oh, wait, what? Did you get a second one, Raja?
Which one? I know. I just got two. I sent you the two I have, right?
Oh, you sent me one. Oh, did you send me two? Let's see.
I did send you two.
You did send me two. Okay, let's see. By the way, these things have music. Oh, dude. What's the rarity, the color rarity on this guy? 380? Dude, that might be pretty good. Because look at that, you have this little lines in the background too. Oh, dude! Oh yeah, it doesn't loop. Wait, how do I loop this? Can I right click and loop? Oh, right here. Here we go. This might be a pretty rare, man.
I hope so. But I mean, this is fine. See, this stuff I don't mind owning. Like, I really like EDM and fractals and all that shit. So, like, you know, I've made enough money on Soul and House money. So.
Nice. Yeah, I got two. So, all right, let's.
So dude, mine looks exactly the same as yours. Jesus Christ, it's kind of great. How is it even different then?
Oh, dude, it's probably different. Like a snowflake is different. The randomness is probably different.
The black
right?
and white.
Hold on, let's see. Let me look at yours right here. Yo, yours is different, dude. You've got lines in the background. Do you see that? Yeah,
Okay.
yours looks different than mine. Here, let me play this. Let me loop it. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah, see mine. I don't have the lines in the background.
Okay.
Yeah, you got that. What's your rarity on this black and white one?
It's a color rarity, same 1560.
Oh.
Oh, that makes sense. The color is the one that makes it rare. Okay, yeah. Because it's black and white, it's the same color. We both have the same color, so same rarity.
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
I actually like that. That music is also random, and it's kind of like it's a mutable one, right? So.
Yeah.
I think all of them are mutable.
There was a guy who got
I like it.
Yeah. There was a CryptoPunk that got an offer for 900,000. Now let me see if I liked it. So we were just talking about this guy got an offer for 2.2 million on that Bored Ape. Right here. Yeah, Punk bought. Oh, he sold it. Yeah, this guy right here. Goodbye. I'm sure I'll be complaining about this one. Hey man, if you minted this, let's go find out. Punk 9844. So let's go. 900,000 right there.
I don't think any of these guys ever going to pay tax.
They're never gonna pay taxes? What do you mean?
I mean, how the fuck? Who's going to know what they did and how they made the money? And
Let's see. So sale. 6 months ago, somebody bought it for 90. Okay, so this guy's not a small dude. Wait. Sorry. Let's look. Yeah, he's not because B4. Wait, sorry. E8 bought it, then Fluff bought it, and then sorry. Wait, what? I guess it got transferred. Psy bought it. And then Psy null address. Wait, null address. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Yeah, okay, so this guy is not a retail guy. 6 months ago though. What else? Let's see who's in the. Ash, you want to chat about? Oh, it's a soul knot.
I was just gonna talk about this. Yeah, I was following this guy on Twitter for a couple days. His Solanauts. They just sold out in 14 minutes.
14 minutes.
And it was 7 sold per mint.
Jesus. There's only 500 though.
Yeah, but I mean, 3,500 Solana. So how much is that in USD?
Excuse me.
500.
Was
So.
it just right now, Ash?
Yeah, 3,500 Solana. Yeah, he just made $520,000.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, where's his website? Where's the mint site?
Is it in his bio?
No.
No.
Maybe he took it down.
I was just on.
So wait, did it just mint like an hour ago, a few hours ago?
Yeah, he said he sold out in 14 minutes.
Here, I'm gonna post the link. I'll send it to you in.
Yeah, 0. Powered by Candy Machine. The art isn't that good. I mean, I can just tell looking at the proportions of this. Also, why is he showing the back, right? Like, come on. Like, have a front view of this guy.
You know, he wasn't getting a lot of engagement and so I don't even know if I believe the 500.
Right? It could have been just self-bought. You think?
Yeah, because because I was watching on TweetDeck when it went live.
Yeah.
It was like 1 or 2 likes. So he could be using this as a way to promote the project right now, and then he's having another sale. So actually, you know what he could be doing right now? So 3 hours ago, he posted that I'm doing an airdrop of 5,000, I don't know what it was, tickets or something, and then he just decided to go live today. So maybe he's using this to build hype for that 1,000 ticket giveaway that's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's shady. Oh, look at these buildings, by the way, for Neo and Nexus.
And these are awesome.
I'm not I told him I was not too big a fan of Unlock, the name Unlock. There's another guy.
You just go with Neo Nexus.
Yeah, Neo. Yeah, exactly. Neo Nexus. And actually, I think he should have stuck with Neo Sector, Neon Sector. He should have stuck with it. The other project, who cares about them? They're not that good. Neo Nexus, Neo Sector. But this looks cool. Look at the lighting on it. Dude, it'd be cool if see, you got a little person down here. He could be walking around. We should have little llamas and DJ apes walking around on here. I'm not, I was not a fan of this art either. What's this? Soul Bays? Soul Goddess. What's the other one? Soul Alien Spirits. Yeah. See, this is why I'm liking Rogue Sharks. Rogue Sharks? Shark. Yeah. Because look at this 3D. This is giving me D-Gen Ape Academy vibes with the quality of this 3D. That's a swole shark, man.
Yeah, these are nice. It's just like the D-Gen 3D.
Yeah. It's like I'm tired of pixel stuff. I want more 3D stuff now. So it's not just the sharks, but check out this. This Forge bots, dude. The lighting on these, it looks like a photograph. That's like these little Lego looking guys right here. Like I like these. Let's go to the Twitter. Like, what is that? Like some crystals from StarCraft. Oh, dude, look at that gem. Look at the lighting on this guy. Look how clean this guy is. Let me clean this. Retweet this. Clean. Just the lighting, dude. This guy looks like he's on my desk right now. So that's some high quality with 3D. I took 3D animation in school. And that's getting lighting right, like really matters, because you can either look fake or you can look real. But yeah, the lighting guy knows what he's doing.
There was a space hosted earlier today, and there were artists talking about how they're making these, and I think they mentioned the tool they're using is Blender. So they use Blender with Python. They create the models, and then they build a Python script that makes a bunch of different random outputs, and it can do all the lighting and everything for each different output and pushes it all out as PNGs.
Nice. Dude, I want this particular guy. I want this guy right here. I would hold this guy for over a year. That 10-year talk, like, I'll hold Bitcoin for 10 years. That's probably the only thing in crypto I would hold that long. But NFTs, long term to me is like a year plus. I would look at this guy, man. Damn. I wonder what this is. Like, it looks like a pylon from like StarCraft. Is this it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, Forge bots. Man, I'm surprised. I should share some more of this guy's stuff. There's no Discord yet. Okay. Created by
Drew Flat. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get alerts on this guy. Okay, let's go here. Collection. I don't know. I got alerts on this too. So no Discord yet. Oh, Soul C just tweeted something. Let's see. Monday. I guess they're going live. Here, let me. Oh, it's so hard to see my other monitor with these glasses. Oops. Hold on. So, like on the left here is like stuff I'm willing to just sell at a loss, and on the right is like, you know, I got these llamas. I got a zombie, a Solana edition, and a robot. What would make this complete is if I can get an alien llama and oh wait, what's going on over here? Oh yeah, I got airdropped this guy. Solarian, he's my only Solarian. By the way, there's a bug. So Solarians, it's weird. There's like one NFT can be fractionalized already. So I've got this situation where I've got like half a part of my Solarian in one wallet and part in the other wallet. So apparently there's a fix where if you export your private key from Fathom, import it into Solette, add the metadata. Like, I've never used Solette, so that's gonna be an experiment I'm gonna try this weekend. So this is from the official Solarian Discord. So it's a way to fix that. If you ever have a problem where you've got an NFT that's split in two different wallets, that's a way to kind of fix it. So I'm gonna keep my Solarian because he's early. I'm gonna hold on to my creatures a little longer. We'll see. You know, because I really want to see what happens to Solana NFTs once it gets to third place. Once it replaces Cardano. This Oni project, I'm gonna hold. Oh, oops. I'll bring him up since I clicked on him. So I keep getting offers on this guy, but it's always for like 1.3 ETH. I'm like, you can see I paid 2.5. I'm not selling this guy like on his minimum 10. I'm gonna hold my
You own
degen.
any Solana MBS, the monkeys?
No, I don't have any of those guys. The cheapest one's 67. Let's see here. Small. Wait, SMB.
Because I saw Steve Harvey, the talk show dude, he changed his profile picture to a monkey 2 days ago. But then he changed it back, and then KSI Crypto, you know that video gamer, he changed his profile picture to this monkey. So I would be bullish on this one too. If Solana starts picking back up, this could go 100 plus.
Oh yeah. This is like an OG project right here. It just I wish there was more diversity in the eyes and the mouth. That's what put me off in the project is like you get different hats and stuff, but it's not like punks, you know, where there's a little bit more diversity. It's like they all look like the same monkeys, just like. But I know.
Yeah, these ones I think it's more the community, like on Twitter, they're all posting daily spaces. Like there's so many people that have changed their profile picture, but the artwork I agree is a little bit simple.
Yeah, no, the SMB monkey community is definitely strong on Twitter. Yeah, like so somebody bought that 67 today because I saw, dude, that's that Steve Harvey thing you said 2 days ago. See, I thought that was
Yeah,
like 2 weeks ago. That's how crazy time is going in NFT time.
it's quick. Yeah.
um, man, look at this guy. No, right now
There's
my
another one
uh-huh.
that's I think up in. So there's one because I'm watching Twitter now on NFTs and seeing what these guys are talking about. So there's this banana project that is apparently going to be compatible with the Solana monkeys and the Degen apes. And the whole story is they need monkeys. So there's going to be I think like 1,000 monkeys, and you need to own one of the Solana NFT or the ape NFT to get one of the bananas. So it's like a sub NFT within an NFT, and the community's like going crazy about it.
What are they called?
I have to find the name.
Solana banana.
I think Soul Big Brain talked about it. Let me just check his Twitter.
Solana bananas. These guys.
I think it was this. Let me just double confirm. Does it have the?
Wait, I
1,000?
think this is it. NFT game for
Yeah,
apes and monkeys.
Yeah, this was it. And their website has like a game on it. The team was really cool. Like they came up on the space and they talked about their team. Um, I think you need to play with your. You need to have the NFT to play it.
Oh wait, I got this guy.
Oh, there we go.
Wait. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. So if I connect, let me play with this one. Okay. I've got a DJ Nate. Let's do this. What do we do? Play now? Watch it steal my wallet. Oh. Twitter, what is your screen name? Twitter handle? Okay. Oh shit, dude. Hold on. If you have a Degen 8 or SMB, come play this game with me. Trying to figure it out. Wait, can I just start the game? Type a word and hit enter. Oops. No. Backspace. Oh, wait. Can I just do this? Wait. What am I doing? Yoke. Oh, I just wait for the time to be over? Can I just do this? Oh shoot. I can't. Okay. Wait. Oh, there we go. Type of word to enter. I just failed. I just failed by myself.
I should have like some instructions at the top of what to do.
Yeah. What am I doing here? Hey, don't. I hope I don't lose my ape to my. But if I'm just playing myself. Best words missed. Play again. Oh yeah, I'm by myself. So let's see. Here, let me tweet this out. If you have a is that the tag for them? Just SMB monkey?
Solana SMB, I think. Or Solana MB, maybe? That one show up? No?
I'll just do SMB monkey. Play me here. All right. Where's the game? Back here. All right. I start a game now. Okay. So I gotta come up with a big word here. And so I have you, A, and I. Highs.
QSIP is 5 letters.
Was it?
QSIP, CUSIP.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even know what that is. Okay, cool.
Let's see if they accept it.
Oh, wait, I gotta type it in. QUSI.
Do they accept it, or it's kind of like an acronym though? So
Invalid word.
oh, nope. I mean, Pucks, Pucks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, time's up. Oh, Puckish, look at that.
Oh, puckish.
So close. So close.
Hubcaps. What the heck is it? Okay, hold on. No, I don't know. Google this.
I'm not even gonna ask.
Hey, what's up, Frank?
Leon,
What's up, guys?
I just got here, Leon. Do you need an NFT to play this?
Yeah,
Or
you
is
need
this for-
DJ Ape or SMB.
Oh, interesting. Interesting.
What's up, Frank?
Yeah, Frank, I have no idea either. I'm just here.
Well, I see Meow. What's another one?
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Dorm?
Frank, how much cash have you gone into now?
A lot. A lot. A lot of cash.
Like, give me a percentage. Give me a percentage.
40 to 50.
Dang.
Whoa! Fuck. Nice.
I'm still all in crypto. Say rule.
Yeah, I'm
What?
Oh, cool. Yeah.
I'm still figuring out. I've been starting to put those things on my chat, so we could talk about that at the app. I think Leon's trying to do some stuff here with NFTs.
Yeah, no, I'm done with this. This is just a game. Like, it's interesting. You can only play this if you have one of these guys.
Is there like a... Oh, click on the leaderboard? Yeah. Oh, interesting.
Connected. So next. Where's? Oh, I'm definitely way down here.
I mean, this is a cool start, but I mean, we're hoping there'll be better games on
how many
Solana, right?
What was that? Yeah. Yeah. No. People are experimenting, right? They're trying things out, so that's cool. See, I did
How
it.
many NFTs do you have, Frank?
How many NFTs do I have?
I'm just
Zero.
fucking with you, man, today.
Zero, man. Zero.
Do you want recommendations as to which one you should get?
What the fuck is he even doing here? Like, Leon, can you take him out of the room?
Oh, that's true. He doesn't belong.
Frank.
I'm listening.
Frank.
I'm listening. I'm learning.
Hold on, Frank. Here, let me help you out. You want blue chip stuff, right? Let me help you out,
You
brother.
don't have a JPEG monkey.
Frank, you gotta go
You don't have a
here.
JPEG monkey, you don't-
I know Frank got that 8 figures going. Here, Frank, you got. This is what you want to get right here. This guy, 40. This is $148,000 Bored Ape right here.
It kind of looks like me.
There you go, dude. This could double in 6 months.
No. He's got too much hair. No, it's not.
Oh, that's low blow, man.
True.
Dude, honestly, just like buy a Rory or something.
No, I'm waiting. I'm honestly waiting for the next NFT wave. No. I mean
The next wave? Like we're in a wave now.
This is the next wave.
Here.
Well,
You
no,
want something safe?
What I mean is after the art stuff. I mean, there's art stuff now. There's game stuff, right?
Game-
And that's happening. And then it's like where's like on all the utility stuff, where it's tied to like real estate or other types of assets or other types of any other types of how can I say this, digital value. Those are the things I'm like, this is all like fun and experimenting, man. This is cool stuff. That's why I like it. But it's like any new tech, right? There's going to be the waves, right? And people are going to make money and people are going to get wrecked.
Well,
But if you're not paying attention, you're not seeing what's going on. You're going to miss the big the big one, the big surge.
Well, yeah.
Whenever that happens.
I agree. That is coming.
If you're talking,
But
if you're
Frank,
talking about it, then you already missed it, right? I mean, it's not something.
Yeah. I mean, right now, I mean, I'm in a completely different mindset. I'm in this like, I see the apocalypse coming in the next like few months, so I'm trying to prepare for it and still make money at the same time and have the ammunition to go, to moon.
Frank, let me help you out. Check out. Here is a floor punk. Hold on. Buy now. Oh, sorry. Buy now. Wait, what? Oh, shoot. There's no buy now. You have to make an offer. You have to make an offer on one of these.
No way.
Oh, damn.
That's not worth it. Do you own one, Leon?
A CryptoPunk? No, but I think the floor will be $2 million. I agree with Chris. Within 2 years. I think in 2 years.
You think CryptoPunks are going to be worth $2 million each?
For the cheapest ones, yeah.
How many are there altogether?
They're 10,000. But some are lost, right? It's like they're like bitcoins.
Leon,
Yeah.
I will take that bet right now. I will bet you my portfolio.
Wait. Leon, what time?
That
what
does
time
not
frame?
happen.
What time frame?
I never do that. I'm not that big of a risk.
Wait. Not entire portfolio.
I guarantee you.
Wait,
the
within
floor
how
will not
many
be-
years?
No, he said a couple. He said 2 years. I
2 years?
guarantee
Nah, not in 2
you.
years.
The floor.
Dude,
will
it could
not
happen
be
like sooner than that. But your entire portfolio. You're a betting man, Frank.
I'll bet on. I'll take that bet. I mean,
That is a dangerous bet for both of you.
No, because I think this, right? I think there's a higher probability that Bitcoin will be worth 6 figures.
Oh,
And-
dude, that's like to me that's like 100% guaranteed. I mean,
Yeah.
like this is not financial advice. We're just talking
None of this
opinions.
none of this is financial
Yeah,
advice. This
yeah.
is all
Don't.
for fun.
We don't know your risk profile. We're not financial advisors, even though I've outperformed every financial advisor I know. Just a jab at them, but we're still not financial advisors.
So at least we're in agreement.
Was it a jab at someone, Leon?
Just financial
No.
advisors and the SEC.
Yeah, exactly. I think there's a higher probability of 6-figure Bitcoin in 2 years than $2 million floor on CryptoPunks.
I mean, both could happen though, right?
Yeah.
And listen, anything can happen. I can grow my hair back, right? So anything can happen.
It's true.
Dude, there's technology for that.
People
Look at Elon Musk, dude. Look at Elon Musk.
People have gotten hit by lightning and then grown their hair back. That's a true story.
No, I mean it's whatever, right? It's like if you anything's what's probable, right? I think even the biggest names in this space. Let's say Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V. He's put out articles. I'm sorry, no weren't articles. They were YouTube videos that I saw. There's some other articles from other people that I read. He's saying 98% of this stuff's going to zero.
Oh yeah,
Right?
yeah. Okay.
But that
Not
does not
CryptoPunks.
mean you shouldn't be involved and you shouldn't be smart about where you're putting your money and how you're making. If you're making money on this, listen, I don't care what you're doing. If you're flipping retail, if you're flipping NFTs, if you're having fun and you're learning and you're making money, I don't care what anyone says. You just keep doing it, right? And you know what your risk tolerance is, right? So I have no issue with any of that stuff, but there's no way in hell I'm going to make the call that these things are going to have a $2 million floor.
Well, Frank, how about this? So you want to do an NFT real estate thing, right? That's probably coming within 5 years. Want to just get a Bored Ape? This guy could fund that venture, whatever, in 5 years.
There's no way I'm buying this.
These are gonna have a 100 floor by the end of the year.
Yeah,
$100 or
100
$100,000?
ETH.
100 ETH.
So like $300,000 times.
How many,
the
all
increase
right.
in-
Does anybody know how many total NFTs are out there created?
Oh,
Oh, there's like infinite.
a million.
Right.
Well, not infinite, but
There's only a limited amount of Bored Ape yacht clubs.
yeah. But there's only 10,000 board. That's the key thing. Is what collection? This blue check mark, Bored Ape Yacht Club,
Yeah, that blue check mark. That's everything.
and not just that. The 161K in ETH traded, and a floor price of 41 ETH.
No,
Good job.
I'm kind of with Frank on this. I think you try to look for you find the next board your ape yacht club,
Yeah.
right? Like I think
Or you know, do you focus on art, or do you kind of start looking for those new fringes, like those new weird things that people are talking about in some forum somewhere or some Reddit, or there's some like a perfect example, Leon. We talked about this. It was that game where the game wasn't even made yet, but it was like a text-based game, and they generated like 27 or 28 million dollars or something like that, something crazy.
Text-based? I don't know.
Yeah.
Leon, show Frank the fractals.
Oh yeah, these guys.
Oh, that was my idea. I came up with that a while ago.
Well, this artist did it. PLS.
That's the one I came up with. I was like, let's do a fractal thing where you can buy the formulas.
It comes with music too, by the way. Check it out. So
yeah, no, this one is mostly selling the music. The person who made this is like a musician with like 100 million like music plays on Spotify, like a true musician.
yeah, so
And,
here. By the way, this is how you get it. So you have to click on this.
I mean, you can right-click download too. I think.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I should just save it.
Yeah. Yeah, I have 4 of these now. How many do you have, Leon?
I just minted 2.
Okay.
You got on the white list?
I got 1 on the pre-sale price, and then I got 3
nice.
more after. But I don't even think they're sold out yet, are they?
No, they already sold out.
Oh, they are. Okay. I haven't checked for a while.
Yeah. What do you think of that one, Frank?
I don't know.
I would say that's highly speculative. like here.
Versus a fucking board monkey.
Board monkey. No, that's a membership to a club. That's a club membership right there. The same with CryptoPunks. I mean, CryptoPunks, that's like ancient Egypt art in crypto space, so that's never going to zero. I would say Bored Ape's never going to zero either. But yeah, 99.99%. Yeah. So because it's just illiquid, right?
Listen, the only thing that's going to the moon are soul socks. That's it.
Oh, soul. But yes, I want me a soul
Wait,
sock.
is Soul Socks here? No.
Ash, you gotta throw me a pair.
Oh, he is.
Wait, we throw you. Why did you get the mint one, brother? it's one. Wait, is 0.1 the mint? This is gonna sell out quick. Frank, I want you to join us on a mint.
There's only 300, dude.
I'm gonna need y'all to save me one, definitely. There's only 300.
When do we mint it?
We're minting in 22 hours and 10 minutes.
I won't be able to do this.
Wait, Ash. Why the 300? Why so low?
We're still like deciding on the number, but we recently, like today, we reduced it to 300 just because we wanted to make it a little bit more exclusive.
Oh, thanks, man. I'll take smelly socks.
That's gonna sell out instantly.
Frank, we want you to join us on a mint because you have to do the mint. Once you do a mint, you'll get it. Like just buying after.
Can I use my Phantom wallet to do the?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no like pre-sale or anything, Ash. It's all like everybody 300.
I mean, I'm not sure, Leon. Why aren't you participating in these soul snakes? Frank could do that with us.
Is it right
These
now?
are free. That's
They're
true.
free. Why not? Shit.
What? They're free. Okay.
I've said this multiple times in the chat, and you just ignored the hell out of me. I swear. Leon.
Oh, sorry. Oh wait, they're free. I'm sorry.
I didn't know this.
Yeah, but 30 lashes to Leon.
Well, there's just too much. There's too much, guys. Okay, so 9 minutes. Frank, you have stuff in your wallet. Wait, you had that one soul. I gave you one soul for free. You can mint these guys.
All right, what do you want me to do?
Okay. Log into your wallet.
Log it in.
So
Have you-
listen,
Yeah,
guys, are we
watch
minting
Frank
now?
get like completely rugged right now with.
I know.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Wait. Let me use beta real quick. Let me use beta. I just created this new wallet. I'm gonna send one Solana there so I don't get rugged. One Solana.
Yeah, no, I just made a burner wallet too. 'cause-
Yeah, Frank.
Yeah, me too.
Well, Frank, you only got one Solana, so who cares if you get rugged? But one
Who
second.
cares if you get rug pulled? It's only one Solana.
That's only
What was that with Solana going down for 20 hours or something? The blockchain.
Yeah, there was a
Yeah.
there was a spam attack. So there's something about or some kind of Radium smart
Yeah,
contract
I
thing.
can explain, Leon. So there was a Radium IDO, which is basically like a ICO launched on Radium, and people created some bots to try to like snipe the allocation, but the bots were too powerful, and they started spamming the Solana blockchain with 400,000 transactions per second, and it basically took the entire blockchain down. Like it seems like it wasn't malicious; it was literally people trying to snipe the allocation. But they're fixing it. It's a known problem. They were fixing it before, and then now they prioritized it.
Yeah. I would just like to say with these soul snakes, the Discord's going insane. Like, it's making me lag. But yeah, they're gonna sell out.
So is there going to be a
Solana
buy
thing?
button on the front page of that, or?
Yeah, I think as soon as it starts, it's really dumb. Like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get one. But with the Solana thing we were talking about, I think there are some exchanges that are also like keeping transactions from happening. Because like in the Soul Snake Discord alone, there's a lot of people freaking out because they're not able to transfer their soul from Coinbase to Phantom.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, Coinbase closed it down. Like they gated themselves off.
Because of that. By the way, that was a buy. I took that as a buying opportunity. I've been buying Sol on Coinbase. I can't move that Sol, but at least I still have plenty in my wallets. So, and I've got plenty in my other wallets, which I'm not gonna name. So if I needed extra ammo, but if this is free, sorry, Nepa, I did not know it was free. I just didn't like the art. I was like, I figured it'd be one.
That's fine. I only advertised it 50 times. That's fine.
And Nepa, you can advertise all you want on my Discord, alright?
I'm sure you'll listen. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I sent the link to the Discord and the official link in the NFTs. I'm hoping at least one of us get one because I know for the pre-sale people, they are able to get it 3 seconds earlier. Like, whoa, 3 seconds! Oh my
I
god!
heard about that.
Oh my god! What are we gonna do?
3 seconds earlier. The largest free mint in history. Okay, this is cool.
All right, when does this thing start? What do you?
Right
how do
here,
we
6
get it?
minutes.
It's literally
Six
in 7
minutes.
minutes.
And what do we do?
You just
gonna-
refresh the webpage and press buy.
Yeah,
All right, where's the site again? I can't see it.
it's snex.g here. Let me post it.
Next.
Snex.
Next.gg.
Yeah.
If you need to go to the NFT channel, I got the links for you.
You know what? Nepa's really looking out. I mean, that's good
Yeah,
stuff.
just make sure you're also logged into your wallet. Like, put your password in already. So
All right,
Yeah.
I got my Phantom loaded.
Dude, Nepa wasn't watching out for me when I got copy minted.
Ooh.
Copy minted. What happened?
I didn't even know about that. Tell him about that, Jack. Though.
Dude, I lost like what Nepa like a few $100s I guess on that. So I found this
Probably.
I found this really cool like animated art on Tezos, and I was asking Nepa to buy it for me for like I was giving like Nepa 5% of it, but after we bought it, I saw that I couldn't sell it. It was like restricted, and then we researched it, and it seems like what people do is they make like a copy of the real NFT, and then they like mark it as restricted. So like it's basically a fake copy, like not the authentic one. And now I can't sell it and it's worthless and I wasted like a few $100 on it.
Well,
Oh,
that really wouldn't make it fungible, would it?
No. Piece of
Yeah,
trash.
I'm sorry. It
that's
would make
fine.
it fungible. It wouldn't make it non-fungible.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm happy they restricted, but they should totally do something so they couldn't like put it on the marketplace in the first place. Because once you buy a restricted item, the only thing you can do is burn it. You can't get the Tezos back or anything.
Yeah, it's useless now.
Guys, I've got to find 3 Twitter followers to unfollow. Let's see.
Why 3?
Because so I can keep 420.
420.
Oh, come on. Okay, I don't need to follow Neo. And I don't need to follow
Ethereum.
Ethereum.
Oh,
yeah.
Ethereum. Yeah, forget Ethereum.
WikiLeaks? That's nothing leaking. 420. There we go. Okay. Soul Socks. Definitely look out for this, guys. 22 hours. Soul Snakes, we got 3 minutes and 37 seconds. So Frank, when this timer is up, you're gonna hit refresh. There's gonna be a mint or buy button, and then there's gonna be approve transaction.
And it's free?
It's free.
That's what they say. Yeah.
So then what the hell? Where does it go? It just goes right into my my
Your
Phantom
wallet. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah. So
I want to see some socks in my wallet. That's what I want to see.
well, you gotta mint that. We gotta get your
I
hands
know.
dirty.
I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow. I gotta
Hey,
get in
Ash,
on it.
what did you set as the royalty on the socks? Is it 5% or 10% or?
I think we were gonna do 5%.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love your project, man. It's like small, exclusive, only 5% royalty. I think you're gonna succeed.
Yeah, we'll see if we can launch tomorrow because we're still trying to we want to make sure that the website works and everything. So it might be the weekend. We'll see.
Is your website like built to like scale to like 40,000 people or whatever, or?
No, definitely not. Like if we have that many people, like it will not load. So
Ooh, okay. So I guess we'll hope it doesn't crash then.
yeah.
All right. So I bought Frank.
Hey, I'm gonna share also after. Actually, I'll put it in the chat now. This is that project. Did you guys see this? It was called Loot Project. Did you guys hear about that?
Mm-hmm.
The Loot Project.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they generated a ton of money just by putting basically scripts on the of NFTs on the blockchain, which is kind of a neat idea.
There've been like a dozen copies of them now on Solana.
Yeah.
Yeah, like too many. Have you guys heard of the Nouns project?
Yes.
Yeah, that one's really cool. Also, like absurdly expensive now.
By the way, check out my video. We got a minute and 36 seconds. Okay, so I want to show this real quick. Frank, you gotta check out this video on my stream.
I've been watching it, man.
Did you watch the Danny Cole one?
No,
Dude.
that one it's on my list to see.
Yeah. Watch
I've
this.
not
Here, I'll
seen that
post
one
it.
yet. I saw that pop up. Was like yesterday, the day before.
Yeah, it was so good. Like the energy in that room. Because I was thinking, you know, I'll flip my creature for like double or like 50%, but I'm gonna hold my creature now. Like that community, yeah. There's a different energy with that.
The community is everything, man. Like people forget that. Like art doesn't matter if you have community.
My son's begging me to like take his find a way to take his Minecraft skin that he's created and put that on an NFT.
Aurori. Oh, he's that skin. He's getting to Aurori. Hey, 40 seconds before we get blast off.
Oh, we should open their Discord, right, in case there's announcements.
Oh yeah, I'm not even in their Discord.
The snacks.
Too late for me. Someone else watch the Discord.
Nepa, are you watching it?
Everyone's getting ready to mint.
I'm trying to get my Wi-Fi to work right now.
Oh no!
You what? No. Yeah. Turn off your iPad Wi-Fi. Turn off your phone Wi-Fi. 10, 9,
I'm not getting this.
7, 6,
I'm not getting it.
5, 4, 3,
Oh my god.
2, 1. Oh shoot! I go to mint page.
A mid page not found.
What?
Alright, it crashed. It's over.
Hold on. Page. Wait, did we get trolled?
We got trolled.
Oh, was it a scam? Was it like a prank?
Yes.
No. It better not be.
I wasted so much time on a
It's a
prank.
huge prank. It's a huge prank.
Page not found.
Mid snack.
Look, wait, hold on. There was not even like any kind of network call. Look at this. Look, there's not even a network call or anything.
It's a prank, Leon. It's a
Updating
prank.
your code right now. the dev's probably like shit.
Dude, where's the Snakes Discord?
Yeah, go on their Discord. Poo poo on them.
Where is it? Hold on, I can't even find it. Did they delete that shit?
Dude, is it gone? No, it's still here. I got it.
Okay.
I'm joining.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look on the Discord for us, please. I don't know what's going on.
Alright, let's see.
We need to release the mongoose on the snacks.
But dude, I think it was a prank. I think it's gone. The Discord is gone.
I'm saying, I don't.
Oh.
They deleted Discord. It was a whole prank. It was a huge prank. 50,000 people
I'm
gone.
very disappointed right now.
Ah.
Dude, this is like this is not even a rug pull. This is just a nothing.
A part of me was like, watch me advertise the fuck out of this and it not even being anything. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, we got trolled.
It's a prank.
That's. I'm only.
You got
I got like.
Their Twitter, you see if their Twitter handle's still up. They got 25,500 followers.
Holy shit.
No, I said 50,000.
They're still tweeting. Their Twitter.
They tweeted.
Yeah, they're saying people are minting them somehow.
They are an asshole for this because they pushed this project back like 2 times. Oh my god. I've been waiting for years.
For years, yeah, crypto time. Okay, guys, burner wallet. You gotta destroy it now. So
Gotta destroy the burner.
you gotta destroy the burner wallet. So I'm sending my 1 ETH back.
Dude, that like I was like if this really was a prank, then like they did a great job.
Okay, but like I said, a lot of people have been waiting a while for that. I'm just glad it wasn't a rug. I'd rather be pranked than it be a rug.
Removing this wallet, destroying this wallet. Okay, cool. I got alpha and theta. All right.
Yeah, I think their site is just down, and then their Discord is dead.
Leon, how do you rename the wallet?
What a joke! People are.
Oh, you just click on the name or you click on the gear, and then do you see that right here? You can just name it right there. Yeah.
This stuff's awesome.
So, how did you like your first mint, Frank?
You know what? This
At least it wasn't a rug pull.
NFT experience is awesome.
Hell yeah!
It's like the best one yet.
You did admit that it was fun, right?
Nep,
You
like,
had fun. It costs nothing.
Oh
Yes,
my
I
god.
just say Nepa, your credibility has just dropped just a little.
No, can't blame her. Can't blame her. Oh, dude, that's so cool. Look at this, with the socks. Do you know the 3D guy?
Socks 3D.
Uh-oh! Collect wallet to mint.
Wait.
Select wallet. You can mint 1 snack.
Oh, it's back. It wasn't.
Oh my god. Okay, shoot.
Select wallet.
Oh,
Use the burner wallet. Burner wallet.
I know. Burn a wallet. Ah, shoot. Okay, I need to make a new one. For a new wallet.
I think I minted one.
Send. You minted one?
Yeah, I think so.
He thinks so.
Okay, we'll find out. So let me.
It's back up. It's back up. Credibility rising.
Hell yeah.
A roller coaster
How do I-
emotions.
All right, guys, you gotta tell me how to mint here.
No, just hit that button. So
You probably already got it.
why is this still not sending?
Approve transaction.
Yeah, my internet's way too slow for this shit.
Oh,
But
it got sent. Okay, I got my 1 soul. Now I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna click on Mint Snake. Select wallet. Look, select wallet. Frank. Phantom. Scroll down. Connect. Where?
Oh, minting failed. I couldn't get one.
Where's?
whatever's going on is so weird.
Oh,
I'm
right
so
here, mint.
sorry, y'all.
I'm minting. I click the green
I
button.
got one. I got a black cobra or something.
How do you get this? I
Post it
tried
on Discord.
minting it. I tried minting it. I don't know what I'm doing.
That's all you gotta do. You just gotta click the mint and approve
Yeah, as
transaction.
long as you approved it, it should have gone through. I went after you did, so you should have gotten yours, Frank.
So, Frank, click this, right? And then click on this little square icon. Oh, no, I don't have anything yet.
Wait, oh, I see. Baby pancakes, right? I see it. The
Yeah.
black one.
Oh, come on.
It says I have no collectibles.
Hey,
This
Okay.
one's
wonder if that's a rare one.
37.96, so it's pretty quick. They're probably done, I'm sure, within like 5 seconds.
No, I didn't get one. I think mine failed.
Yeah, I'm failing to mint right here.
Minting failed. Yeah.
Then, let me see. I had to mint like 4 times. Maybe I'll get more. Oh, I did. I got a second.
You got a second one? Ah, see,
Yeah, I was spamming.
I want to mint. I want to mint.
Good luck, dude. My second one was 53.20, so.
Ah, I'm not having any mint transactions
Dude,
go
look,
out.
Look look at the Dumb Money Discord, Leon. People are posting their snakes.
What? No, I want a snake. I want a
Guys,
snake.
it's not giving it to me. I don't know how
Oh,
to
here.
do that.
Approve transaction. Okay, once the approved transaction comes up, that should be it. So you have to keep refreshing, So keep refreshing and keep clicking. So now, oh, why is that? It's still not showing.
Oh man, no. Every time I try it, it's failed.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get one
Keep
now.
saying
Fine.
we failed, so I don't think it's.
Yeah, Nepa, you have to try and get one.
Yeah,
You-
Richard got
Oh,
one
yeah, I'm
too.
trying now, don't worry. We gotta try this other wallet though.
I don't know why it's failing.
Connect wallet to Mint. I did. Okay.
Minting failed. Please try again.
Okay, so I pressed mint. Nothing happened.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting
Not
to.
gonna.
Here.
I mean, I can keep clicking it because I only got 0.1 soul in this wallet, so whatever.
The site's crashed.
Oh. I got one.
Oh,
Nice.
Dude,
Alright,
I
just
I
pressed
don't know what
approve.
I'm doing.
I just pressed approve for mine.
7,740 something. That means they're almost gone.
Guys, I don't know what I'm doing here.
No, keep refreshing, Frank. Keep refreshing. Keep selecting wallet.
Keep trying. Keep trying.
Keep trying.
This is a horrible process.
Yeah, this is early days. Early days. This is like we're trying to write an email with code back in 1990.
Mine,
Yeah,
I'm
Leon,
just
my
minting now.
company, like, our experience is gonna be, like, so smooth. Like, it's gonna be amazing.
the Discord's back up. It must have like went off for a minute or something. but
Discord
Discord's
broke.
back.
Wow.
Yeah. Shit, I know why it broke.
I can't even get to their page. I can't even get to the page, guys.
The Discord.
Oh, it's down. It's down.
Still kind of broken.
I give up. I got stuff to do.
Yeah, you got a lot. You got a project launch.
No.
Yeah, I gotta interview my CTO right now, actually.
Oh, on Twitter Spaces?
We're gonna
What are you doing?
record it and we're gonna post it on YouTube tomorrow, I think.
Nice. Look forward to it.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about why our tech stack
Oh,
is
wow.
different and why
Oh,
it's gonna be
hell.
smooth.
Did you get one, Nepa?
No, it says sold out. It said the transaction failed, and now it fucking says sold out. Okay.
I was the first one to see that this thing works, and I couldn't even get one.
Oh, well, are you sure?
Oh,
Click
wow.
on your little wall thing right here.
Nothing's there.
You
There's
got the
nothing there.
true mint experience, Frank, because most of the time this is what happens on the popular ones.
Yeah.
You just
Yeah.
try, you don't get it, and you waste like 2 hours of your time.
Yep. That's what happened with DJ Apes. The site went down, like for
Yeah,
2 days.
I'm all set. I'm all set with this. This is like.
At least it wasn't ETH.
Yeah, you would have paid $600 for nothing.
Yeah, the
That's
Cobra
nice.
looks cool, but also like the green halo on the black one. That looks rare.
Wait, it's a monocle. I got a monocle.
Crossed.
Let's go to rarity. Wait, where's rarity?
All right. I'm going
So,
back
yeah.
to
one?
work on my portfolio.
We got yeah, up that crypto portfolio. Hold
Are
on.
any of you guys in Green Ridge, the stock?
What's Green Ridge?
Oh, dude, this stock was hilarious. It was like a merge between like a Bitcoin mining company and like a support desk company, and like both their stocks went absolutely crazy. I bought some puts on support at like 9 and 10, and then it went from like like at the money, and like it went from 9 and 10 all the way up to like 45, like a few days after I bought the puts, and my puts were like absolutely worthless. But the companies finished their merge like yesterday, and now the stock's back down to like $5. But
Unbelievable.
yeah, so I actually made good money on those puts,
Awesome.
which expire tomorrow, so perfect timing.
Yeah, I'm doing analysis on
Oops.
the last two market crashes.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the time span around 2006 to 2011 and last year's crash, and I've just been looking at a whole bunch of different things. I just been analyzing data now for like the last 2 weeks.
Nice.
Well, It's I don't think the crash, like the big crash, is coming like now. But I think it'll be here early next year, potentially. I think we're in the middle of like of a correction, but not a bear market. I think bear market could be within the next 6 months. I mean, across the board, definitely crypto.
Wait, in the next 6 months, you think a doomsday crash is happening?
I think a significant pullback is happening. I posted some videos on some new signals that have been coming out, that some signals that haven't popped up for like 14 years. Like really bad stuff.
Dude, if you have new videos, like go to Dumb Money. There's a content creators channel. Just post your video in here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we'll have to check that out.
No, it wasn't my video. It was on a technical a guy that does technical analysis. So if you go to my on our whatever, the Just Frank channel and Profit Makers.
Yeah, right here.
I posted something there. Yeah, that was September 14th, 2 days ago.
Cost is better than cash. What is cost? Okay.
Costco.
Oh, Costco. Oh, dude.
Yeah, it's my analysis is showing Costco has been one of the best performers through every market.
It is so overvalued.
No. You have to see what I said. I said, I'm buying on a pullback. I am not buying it now.
We got part of this. It's more money. There's more money in the system.
It's fucking more expensive than Microsoft. Look at the shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Costco, and the other one I really like. Well, if you want value, I'll tell you right now, NEM is good value. CVX is good value. I'm not a fan of oil stocks, but Chevron is pretty cheap, and it's got a nice dividend to go with it. So I'm looking at everything, every damn stock, every index.
What do you think about recovery stocks?
And I don't think that term exists anymore.
Okay.
So I think it's difficult to call stocks recovery stocks, because if you look at the last two cycles, that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm looking at like the crash that happened in 2020, and I looked at the previous one, and I'm trying to find correlations between those two crashes to see what sectors fared the best, which individual stocks, which individual funds, what has performed the best in all scenarios. So that's really, it's been like Costco by far so far has been like above and beyond everything else that I've seen. It's just ridiculous.
I'm glad
I'm looking at a whole bunch of other things right now in my analysis. I'm doing a deep analysis. I am not selling REMX. If anyone wants to know, I am not selling REMX, and I don't plan on selling my Tesla position either.
Nice. How about Coinbase? How are you still doing? Done.
Yeah, I sold that. I dumped it 2 days ago. It's just been dead money for me. And now I'm just looking to redeploy.
Man, Frank, if I had not gotten into Coinbase in May.
Today, did you see that?
What's that?
REMX took a lick. I mean, but shit, it's been up so much.
I mean, I'm up like 75, 80%. You know what's sad? I posted that on Dumb Money. And I was telling people, hey, you should go look into this. And it never got voted up. Well, whatever.
Guys, what are your thoughts on Alibaba?
Oh, I wouldn't touch Alibaba with the 10-foot pole. I like Baidu more than Alibaba, for sure.
What happened with be fearful when people are greedy?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
What happened with be fearful when people are greedy?
Did anyone else hear that? I didn't.
I think he said be fearful when people are greedy. The Warren Buffett quote.
No. That's not my concern there. My concern there is you have another stock that's had a similar beatdown, Baidu, which has a lot more positive upside.
The Chinese,
I don't know.
Chinese
Baidu has very inconsistent sales growth compared to Alibaba. I think Alibaba could be a good compounder over the next like 10 years, just a 20% capital compounder.
Okay.
The
I
Chinese,
just yeah, go ahead.
the Chinese government right now, they're incentivized to be harsh on tech stocks, because I heard one of the companies in China might crash and need a bailout, and they want the populace to believe that they're not favoring rich people. So there's some posturing going on, in which they have to present themselves as being really hard on tech stocks. I wouldn't touch Chinese stocks right now
Yes.
until that is over.
To me, stocks are just so.
I know that.
The only reason why I recommended Baidu.
I think.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Sorry. No, you go ahead. You go ahead.
No. The only reason why I was recommending Baidu was they're the default autonomous vehicle standard in China. That's been approved by the Chinese government. They were already starting. They just announced 2 days ago they're starting to release robotaxis on the roads, publicly testing in Shanghai. So
I actually saw that.
Yeah. They got buses. They got buses. They got the car platform. They have the Apollo platform. And that's the only reason why, if I had to pick one, it'd probably be that. I don't know. I'm not a fan of Chinese stocks right now. I think you can make money in other markets.
I agree. I would look at Japan right now, actually.
Man, stocks are just so boring to me right now. Like I'm fully out of stocks. Even crypto, general crypto, besides Solana, is boring to me.
Well, I mean, I've had some stocks. I've had some amazing performers this year. I've had some really huge dogs. I mean, there's been some, like, Fiverr's done well. I've done really good with VYMI. I've done, obviously, jumped in Tesla in the dip. I've done well with Remex. I mean, overall, I'm up, so I'm not, like, concerned. I'm doing pretty good here. But
Yeah.
I think there is a massive pain coming. Like last year was a joke. Like, that was just a speed bump. And what I see coming around the corner is going to be generational opportunity.
Yeah,
Like,
but-
once in a lifetime.
But what would be the catalyst, right? So my devil's advocate would be the Fed just prints another $1 trillion. It goes straight into stocks to
But
keep
they're
it up.
not. They're already talking about backing that off. See, that's the misnomer. That's the misnomer. So everybody now thinks no matter what, the Fed is always going to bail out the market.
Because it's easier to do.
I do not think that's going to happen.
Okay, so wait, guys. So I think we all know that we're gonna have another crash, obviously. But
Yeah.
I agree. We need to have a catalyst. It's not gonna just happen just because of valuation. There needs to be some kind of catalyst that triggers people to start selling, people to start realizing that stocks are overvalued right now. I don't really know. I'm not a big crypto guy, so I have no idea about the crypto markets. But in regards to stocks, yeah, we're gonna need to have a catalyst. But once we have some kind of major negative catalyst, I think that's all you need to have a significant crash.
I don't agree with that. So you can also have death by 1,000 wounds, right? So it could be a bunch of different things coming together. So there are a couple
That's
people
that's
that
more
are-
unlikely then, though, because you need more things to happen.
Yeah, there are technical indicators right now at the Fibonacci level that this market is heading towards doom. So that's the technicals. There are also fundamental indicators that are also popping up. Like I said, that signal that hasn't shown its ugly face in 14 years. Every single time that signal has shown up, there's been a crash in the market.
Well, here, if we get back to the top of this channel, that's a 13% move down. That's 386 on SPY. So I would say this is a good buying opportunity here. If this happens, I don't know why I have 420 listed here. But
So Frank, what day is the crash happening again? Sorry.
what day's the crash happening?
next week on Monday at 3 o'clock.
1900 UTC.
So is the crash happening before 2 million Bitcoin or?
I was gonna say also, could you please tell me like the dates for like crypto and stock market like separately? Hopefully it's 2 different dates.
Yeah, crypto's gonna crash December 17th. I'm calling it right now.
2022, 2023.
2022.
That's the.
If the cycle goes,
I agree. I think crypto crashes between Q4 and Q1 of 2022. I think that's when the market goes really full bear.
okay, so that'll be more of an earlier cycle. So that in my opinion, then we're over 100,000. So somewhere between 100 and 150 on Bitcoin. If we get to December, now it gets more unlikely the longer we go out. But Benjamin Cohen, I trust his idea on lengthening cycle theory. I think this cycle does go a little longer, and that's better for us. The longer it goes, I mean, we get over 200,000 with Bitcoin.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think Leon, it's kind of critical about what I'm in the same camp as Frank in terms of trying to raise cash. Although Frank, you've really ratcheted it up, and I know Hamza's raised a lot of cash too.
Okay, I just uploaded an image showing the signal, and you got to watch the video. There's other signals that are popping up in a lot of different places that are starting to talk about, and there's real data to support what is happening on this signal.
Look, one signal or one indicator or even a couple, that's not going to trigger a crash. You need to have a catalyst.
No. The signal is based on
every day you're going to find an article that says this signal has happened every single crash, and then every day they find a new, like, there's always a signal that's going to crash.
I agree, but this signal is not a
catalyst for
this signal is not a single signal.
2008 was the financial crisis. There was fraud going on in the mortgage markets, and the 2020 it was COVID, and people were unsure about what was happening.
Okay, all right. There's stuff happening right now. If you don't think there's bad stuff happening. The government's printed more money.
Yeah,
the government's printed more. This world has printed more money.
That's true. That's true. Let's talk about
catalyst?
that.
There is a catalyst.
You're right.
That's a catalyst.
Well, no, that's the catalyst for markets to go up. Hold on, that's catalyst for a weaker dollar.
No, because you always have to pay the piper.
How can you keep printing more money? Yeah.
They can't keep printing.
You have to pay the piper. You can't print your way out of trouble. But I want to kind of make sure. Was that Jack that was asking the question?
That didn't sound
this
like Jack.
particular signal is a very complex signal. It's not like a single indicator. It has inputs from a lot of different things. It has the U.S. unemployment rate, the ISM manufacturing index, the yield curve, the inflation rate, PE ratios. It's looking at a whole bunch of different. So if you guys, and then they've taken this, it's like kind of looking at a macro view of what's going on, and every single time, it's an early indicator of bad things to happen in the not too distant future. That's all I'm saying.
So Frank, what's your strategy then? Like, do you plan on selling most of your stocks, or do you plan on going to defensive positions, or?
I want to go into positions that I can still get growth. So I'm trying to find positions that have performed well in these potentially challenging market conditions, and that have potential, growth potential. And if they also provide yield at the same time, I'm going to jump into it. I'm not going into cash. So I want to ride this. I'm going to have some cash, but what I'm saying is, I'm not going to sell everything and just sit on the sidelines and time it. That's insanity. I mean, none of this stuff can come true, right? This could be the one time the signal doesn't mean anything, right?
What signal? What
knows
indicator?
What's going to happen? What's that?
Which indicator is it? Is it a technical indicator?
Yeah, there's a bunch of technical indicators. That a lot of people there's a whole bunch of stuff being come out now on Fibonacci indicators. There's stuff coming out. This signal indicator. There's a lot of interesting signs starting to kind of show up. And I think we're in the early innings where a lot of the tea leaves, how can I say this? The ramifications of what's happened in the market since 2020 and the fact that we haven't had a correction in God knows how many years now, right?
Yeah, because it's easier to blow
years.
more coke.
It's been 14
I'm
years.
just saying, like, I think it's good.
You cut out.
I'm just saying we're gonna need something, because look, everybody knows that we have inflation right now, and that hasn't triggered a crash. So we're gonna, if the Fed suddenly starts printing even more money, then that could be the trigger. I don't know, but I what I'm doing personally is I'm shifting more towards these value type positions, like 50-cent dollars, like Monish Pabrai stocks, that type of thing. And like there's this one stock, SRG is the ticker, Seritage. Basically, the thesis on them is like they have real estate that's worth a lot more than their market cap. So.
Oh, real estate will definitely correct. That's a guarantee. I guarantee that. I usually don't guarantee things, but real estate will definitely correct.
Yeah, but I think it corrects in the 2030s. Because
real estate's already starting to soften. The markets are already starting to soften.
So there's this guy I followed, Tom Lee. He talks about generational investing, and you can see like past, like it tops out when the generation of people get to like their mid 40s. That's peak income earning years, and that's when the housing market peaks out because you run out of buyers for that generation. Right? Yeah, Raja, we just heard you.
Dude, so how, if the cash is going to fucking run out, how is real estate going to do okay? I mean, that's...
But see,
you
you have to ask, why would the cash run out? And so here's a question. Here's a question.
Your interest rate is practically free, and you're like, okay, I'll buy a house for over 100,000K without getting it inspected. That's like every house in Austin now. Literally every house in Austin.
Okay.
So, and it's not, I mean, and the funny part is everybody keeps talking about, there's not enough housing and this thing. Yeah, but there's not enough fucking affordable housing, right?
Yeah, so people get into apartments and, okay.
So there's no plan to fix affordable housing. There's really no plan to fix housing crisis in general. I mean, like, and all these houses are actually going to make shit worse because they're like built on lots, like you can fucking put a village in India. So, yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's how the market works, right? You can't really. It's hard to design something that's specific just for a certain. I mean, it has to be opportunity. I heard a lot of houses are getting bought up by funds too, so that's interesting. I wonder what that could mean.
Yeah,
that's happening a lot. That's happening a lot. I'm sorry, I don't know if someone else spoke. Yeah, I've been doing the analysis on that. There's actually a lot of startups. There's one I think out of Napa Valley. There's several others. All they're doing, they're just buying. They're just so they're like. So here's the problem that's going to happen, right? The industry wants every person that works a job to become a renter and to have college debt. That they want to create an indentured servant type of society over time. I mean, that's really the goal here at the end of the day. Do everything they can to challenge the average person from generating and creating wealth and possibly having any type of chance for fire, which we all want, right? We all want that financial freedom, right?
Yeah. Well, do you think that's by design or that's just because that's the system and it just works out that way?
I don't want to like get into conspiracy theories. I'm just seeing what's happening, right? Affordable housing, I think Raja said there's no such thing, right? And interest rates are going to go up. You can't stop it. It's going to come.
No, but
the Fed's not going to print forever, right? They've already pulled the rug out of all these people that had mortgages. The forbearances are gone. So just give that some time for that to fall out. Give it time for people that have all those eviction moratoriums pulled out. So there's just a lot of bad things. And the fact that COVID isn't going anywhere, it's been getting worse, right? So I'm saying there's a lot of I don't want to sound negative, right? I think this is an opportunity if you're smart and potentially if we can get ahead of it. Everything I might be saying and everything I'm reading and everything I'm looking at might be all BS, right? Maybe I'm not even looking at the data wrong. So don't go by what I'm saying. This isn't financial advice, kind of like Leon says all the time. But there's enough things that,
So Frank,
I'm a bull. I'm a bull on all markets, and I think there's an opportunity. And I'm bull. If you're going to stay in this game in the next 5 to 10 years, then it doesn't matter. But if there's going to be a reset and I have an opportunity to get in at a lower level, I'm definitely going to try and take advantage of that.
boom. So Frank, the solution to inflation: buy Bitcoin. It solves this.
I
Yes,
think,
dude. What do you mean, no?
I think crypto is going to get.
No,
Here's the
cash is gonna hit a.
Cash is
Yeah,
trash,
sorry.
dude. Cash is trash. Like,
crypto is going to be one of the so
And the
like,
liquidity dries up. It's not going to be like just for the fucking stock market or the housing market. The liquidity is going to dry up everywhere.
Yes.
I mean, what the
Yes.
fuck are you trying?
dude, what
right,
the
so-
hell? Like,
if people don't have money to pay for their rent, and people don't have money to pay their car payment, and people don't have money to eat,
yeah.
they're not going to hold on
here,
to Bitcoin.
I'm taking out the the Bitcoin. The holders are gonna hold, but I'm taking the devil advocate side again here. Like, if the Fed increases interest rates, that's gonna cause a crash. So why would they do that?
All right, I'm going to throw
Why
a
would it
couple
do
other
that?
things that are scary out there. I don't know if you guys are aware of this, and I'm sorry I'm sharing facts. Okay, these are facts. The Biden administration next year, and I'm not political here. I'm telling you what's happening. They're going to be raising taxes across the board like we've never seen before. That's one. Number two, did you guys hear the IRS starting potentially next year or towards the end of next year is going to have full access to all bank accounts, all crypto exchanges, all stock exchanges, everything, and seeing every transaction and everything that we do. Did you guys hear about that? That's coming?
No, I haven't heard, but it's moving more like China. I mean,
Okay.
that's a negative thing, but you could almost
That's
predict
coming.
it. Okay.
So here's my predictor. I'm gonna say something stupid right now. All right, maybe this is wrong, but I think gold's got a chance to run.
Go, dude.
Yeah.
And you know
No.
why? Because if you got a hard asset like gold, right? You can't track, you can't trace it, you can't watch it, you can't do anything with it. It's not on a blockchain where every transaction, everything you're doing, like a blockchain is like the best thing ever for an oversight type of situation from a government entity.
Okay. How are you gonna carry $1 million of gold with you? So someone's watching $1 million of gold.
Do you know how small $1 million of gold is? Have you ever seen a gold bar?
Dude, the gold bar is $100,000, right?
What I'm saying is, if it goes up in price,
Dude, I see gold staying stagnant. Bitcoin's a harder asset. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's more public. It's more public.
no, I think Bitcoin in the long term is the better asset to hold.
Yeah, I think gold bleeds
I'm not
into Bitcoin.
I'm not gonna argue that,
Yeah.
but I think gold's gonna have a place in the new world. So think about this. This is what happened in Mexico. You want to hear a true story?
Mm-hmm.
The hurricane hit Mexico, okay? And you know what was going on over there? People that had crypto, because there were a lot of crypto people down there,
Mm-hmm.
the electricity and the power went out. They couldn't even access or do anything with their funds. Do you know who was able to get water, generators and stuff? People who actually had gold.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the doomsday scenario. That's the zombie apocalypse kind of stuff, right? Yeah, that kind of scenario. Bullets
I'm
and
saying
water
there's
is
a place
more.
for it. I'm not saying
yeah.
it's the best asset in the world.
Yeah.
I'm just saying there's a place for it.
Yes. Yeah. So I'll get some gold coins eventually,
Yeah,
but
no, I'm with you, Frank. Especially. Yeah.
If
Especially
the
with
governments are going to
defense,
start
what they're
accessing
doing.
my bank accounts and they're going to start seeing every transaction I make, you better believe I'm going to have something that I feel more safe and secure, and my liberties are protected.
Yeah. So some gold coins, some bullets.
Bye bye America.
Yeah. Hey, guys. Yeah, let's talk about that a little bit, right? Like, U.S. has been in a slow decline since it topped out in 1950.
I agree. You're the first person I've ever met that said the same exact thing. Post World War II was
Yeah.
the peak America.
Yeah.
I 100% agree.
Yeah.
But we got to be careful. Not for civil rights, not for those types of things, but for just pure prosperity and its economic prowess in the world. And so I just want to be clear.
Yeah, so it's the next couple of decades. So we have Lucidity's trap coming up, right? You have a rising China. I mean, it's already risen. It's outrisen in a lot of areas, and you have a declining states. So that's what I'm not so much worried about a correction in the stock market. I'm worried about this is gonna, like, don't cancel me, people on YouTube. My YouTube's too small anyways, but I think the U.S. should give up Taiwan. It's like I like don't like yeah. I'm not.
They've
I'm
already
too small.
given up, Leon. They've already given up Taiwan.
They
And I'm gonna
have
tell
to,
you-
have
I'm
to.
going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you why. Okay, if they were serious about Taiwan, and I don't want to talk politics, and I don't want to talk about Asia, China, Taiwan relations, but this is just an observation from the way this country's behaved in the past.
Mm-hmm.
If they really wanted to protect Taiwan, they would already have ships in the water surrounding that country, and they would have weapons and boots on the ground and basically say, no one's passing this line. If you try, then we're going to do something. It's not happening.
Yeah. That is not happening.
It's just not happening. If they were serious about it, you would see that. So that's just my opinion. I might be wrong. That's what I've seen in the past when this country was serious about something.
Absolutely. And not only that, it would be a bad tactical error. Like, that's like saying, like, it's like Texas broke off from the U.S. and China is going to, like, protect Texas. It's that kind of scenario. And not only that, it's like look at Vietnam, look at Afghanistan.
Dude, the geopolitics of that is not even fucking close. The geopolitics of that is not even close.
Dude, it is close. And not only that, Texas has been in the States for like 200 years. Taiwan's been Taiwan, 200 years as well. But yeah, it is, dude. It's hemispheric. It's hemispheric.
Let's talk about, guys. Let's talk about.
It's the same
money.
thing, dude.
Let's talk about investments and money. Let's talk about that.
Oh, this is fun. I love talking geopolitics.
I want to go back to kind of the things I've been talking about, because I want people to challenge. I love hearing people beating up my thoughts, my ideas, and what I'm seeing, because it's going to make my decisions and our decisions better at the end of the day.
Yeah.
I'm sharing my perspective.
Yeah.
Right. I'm sharing what I'm seeing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sharing my concerns. Right. And guys, if I'm out of line here, if I'm saying anything I've said is wrong or incorrect, I'd like to hear it. And if anyone has their thoughts and ideas where they see things going, I like to hear it.
Yeah. So here's my opinion. I eventually, right? Eventually, there's going to be a major correction, a major crash. Eventually, I just don't see it happening in the next 6 months. Now, just from a technical perspective, so I got the SPY up here right now, right? I think we get back into this channel. So, but I don't.
How much of a correction is that? Maybe that's what we're talking about.
Yeah, 12%, 13%, just to touch the top of this channel.
No, go to the mean.
The mean? Okay, the mean. Let's go.
No, just go to the midline.
Yeah. Midline, it'd be 27%.
All right, you're talking correction territory. So most likely, what would happen, like in a typical correction like that, you would overshoot it a little bit, right, and then come back to the mean, and then consolidate for a while, right?
Yeah, but we still need a catalyst. It's not. It's.
But I'm saying, but aren't we already living through those catalysts? And just because we're living through it, it's hard to see it.
No, a catalyst would be okay. For some reason, the Fed decides, okay, we're going to bite the bullet. We're going to blow our heads off, and we're going to make a lot of billionaires lose billions of dollars, and
right.
we're gonna raise rates. That's going to crash the economy.
No. Let's look at the last two crashes, right? So the last one, what happened? COVID, right?
Black
a
Swan.
lot of people were making arguments the market was weak going into that anyways. Then let's look at what happened before that. You had the housing crisis, right?
Mm-hmm.
People were in the middle of that housing crisis, and they never saw it coming, right? Other than, what was that guy? Michael, whatever his name is.
Michael Burry?
From Scion. Michael Burry from Scion, yeah. Other than that, right, everyone was like, oh, real estate's going to go up. It's a safe asset. It's a hard asset. People need a place to live. It's one of the fundamental needs of humanity. You need water, you need shelter, you need food, you need those types of things. It's real estate always goes up. It's never going to go down. It doesn't matter what the banks give out for loans. It's gonna. There's only so much land and real estate in the world, right? You heard it. People were living through it. I lived through it.
Mm-hmm.
No one saw it coming. The catalyst was happening right in front of everyone's face. I thought the market was hot. I thought things were a little bit out of control, right? I saw friends of mine getting properties that were basically, no income, whatever they called those, NOLOs or whatever those loans were. And what I'm seeing right now is you got crazy money printing, right? You got people that were just living off unemployment forever, right? There's just so many different pieces. You got inflation, you got all this stuff happening. You got governments pushing down interest rates to levels that are unsustainable, right? So there's just a lot of pieces here starting to come together.
Yep.
So anyways, I'm not saying, nobody knows the future, right? I'm not saying a crash is coming, like for sure. Nobody can say that. Anyone that is going to come and say that is insane. Well, all I'm saying is the indicators that a lot of people that are smarter than me, that I'm listening to a lot of different people. I'm listening to the biggest bulls, the biggest bears, and hopefully out of that I can get and paint a picture of what I think is coming. But we're all in agreement that this gravy train is just not going to keep going on forever.
Yeah.
It's just not. So the question is, what are those things? What's happening around us? Are there things that we're missing that are already occurring? Are there signals already there? And a lot of this stuff's starting to show, there are cracks, there are breaks, there are things that are already happening, right? And maybe there's one little nudge. Maybe another variant of COVID comes out, right? That I can't predict that, but who knows,
Frank,
right?
Yeah, who knows? But check out my chart. Are you looking at my stream?
Yep.
Okay, so look at the volume that happened in 2007, 2008. This is like, it dwarfs everything that happened so far, right? And just based on the volume right here, you can tell when, okay, some high volatility or pullback right here. This was a 1 year bear market, but look at this crazy accelerating volume. Right now we've got none of that. Now that could happen super fast, like it did here with COVID. So just on the technical spot, unless I see volume.
Think about it.
I didn't say it's happening now. I'm sorry. I didn't say the crash is happening today. I said it's probably about 6 months out. I think we're in the early innings. I'm sorry. Go ahead, Roger.
Yeah. Oh no, I was thinking even with the liquidity at that time, right? I mean, it was all like that housing money and the triple derivatives, and there was no Bitcoin, so that was the only place where people could put their money in.
Yeah. Look at this. Wow. It's like, look at that. This is like nothing. Also, like the population size. We had less investors around this time. We have like triple the size of investors now. So people always forget demographics, but that's something else to consider.
Yeah, but that's all like retail, small guys, they'll get fucking destroyed. So.
Yeah, and the other thing that's scarier right now is the computers are in full control, Leon. There are no more traders on Wall Street.
No,
there
are.
There are
but,
physically no people trading anymore. Everything is done by computers. Everything is done by software.
Yeah.
And it's scarier than ever before. There have been weird days where like there were flash crashes already, little signals starting to happen. So those are some new things that didn't exist back then. I mean, I'm not saying there wasn't computer trading, but nowhere near the amount of algos that are in place today.
Yeah. When the crash comes, you can't sell fast enough. No way. The human cannot.
They're already starting to plan for this.
Well, I'm not being in the stock market in the next year anyway, so oh well.
It'll be too late. it'll be too late by the time we try to sell. We'll be like done.
Yeah, I've got nothing to sell. I've got my Roth. I'm not selling that.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm just looking at different positions that that I would like to have in my portfolio that would actually do well and thrive during a downturn
Okay.
or during a correction. And at the same time, I want the opportunity with those positions to then quickly turn those funds into buying opportunities for weakness in certain areas or certain individual stocks or other things. Maybe it's crypto, right? Maybe it's buying more Bitcoin. Maybe it's buying Tesla. Maybe it's buying something else, right? But the question is, like, I'm not going to time this market. And, Michael Burry was off by a couple years, right? But when he got it right, he got it right. I mean, I'm just using him as an example because everyone can relate to that. I don't know. Everything about what's happened in the last year really stinks. Like, this is just all artificial BS. None of this is real. None of it.
Yeah, dollar signs in your bank is real, but yeah, we're in uncharted territory. Does anyone have a question?
One point, Michael Burry's prediction was spot on. He knew that it was going to happen in 2007, 2008, but he actually took his position too early because he had to create that product. And he actually even said that he took it too early. He wanted to make sure that he had that position. It's just the banks didn't mark him correctly. They unloaded their positions before, they started marking him. Mark to market was, accurate. And then he literally crashed in.
So Leon and I are talking. I mean, what do you guys think of what's going on right now? Does everyone think that this bull market is just going to keep going for the next 5 years, 10 years? Does anyone think a correction is around the corner or not? What do people think? Is crypto the safer place to be, or stocks the safer place to be? Gold, real estate. I mean, what do people in this chat think? NFTs. Throw out NFTs too.
Yeah, some other voice besides me. And
So Frank, I'm with you. I'm with you, right? I'm putting my money where my mouth is, so I'm raising cash, or whatever. Yeah.
That cash is losing value every day. But okay.
I think it's a difficult one. I think the difference between this crash or this potential crash and the crash previously, the banks have been printing. The printers have been on overdrive. So, they're saying they're going to kind of just keep printing. I don't know, when are they going to switch the printers off? So if you keep cash, your cash is going to be worth less anyway because they keep printing.
Yeah, so
it's going to be like hard, real, finite assets.
Yes. But I'm not saying go into cash. I'm saying I think you should have some cash, always some small allocation. I'm looking to invest, but I don't know where yet. I'm figuring that out. But you're right. If you're in cash and you're just going to time this, you're going to fail. You're 100% correct.
Yeah.
Wait, this is a chart of the Australian stock market. I just want to show something that's been up for over 20 years. Now, sideways here, big correction, 07. COVID, right, wait, hold on. COVID.
$5 a correction happens within the next month, within the next 2 weeks. That's
$5?
a triple top. That's a triple top, my friend. I have a feeling you got a correction coming.
Yeah.
You're tapping resistance there.
Frank, you're saying there's a correction that might come in the next 2 to 4 weeks?
On this, yeah.
Oh, he's talking about
On
Australia.
ASX.
The Australian
I'm looking
stock
at that
market.
chart. That's an ugly looking chart.
Yeah.
Is the
You
Australian...
mean in the Australian market or us?
No, I'm just showing this as an
I'm saying
example.
the chart that he just put up.
Yeah, this is a
That's an
20-year
ugly
bull
looking chart.
market. So we have a 10-year bull. I'm just saying, that the 20-year bull market is possible, but yeah.
Yeah, but what about this Chinese Lehman effect that could be happening now? Could that also be a catalyst to start unraveling things elsewhere? Because look at the United States. When we had our Lehman effect, it started unraveling things in other markets.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know anything about Chinese markets at the moment.
Well, there's this huge thing. What was it called? Evergrande or Ever something? And there are people outside, and it's defaulting. People are losing everything. It's like a mess. I posted it on Just Frank.
Oh, yeah. Sorry,
So if you go there, you
I've been in
scroll
the
up,
NFT channel so long.
$300 billion. It's a Chinese property company. Evergrande.
Yeah, I'm looking.
I think one thing about the Chinese stock market is China have bought up the world's debt, so they own a lot of US debt, a lot of corporate debt. So even if China goes under, with us in UK or US, we actually owe them money. So if China goes down, it's not necessarily a bad thing for our markets.
No,
Because we actually owe them guys money. They haven't borrowed anything from us. Like US treasuries, gilts.
Yeah, but
bonds.
there could still be contagion. Yeah, that's the signal right there.
Spread between bear market probability and macro index models. Yeah, I want to know what this indicator is called.
Yeah, if you watch the video, inside the video, it talks about and there's articles on that particular indicator. The other one that's really interesting is the Fibonacci on the markets. There's this Fibonacci retracement that people have mapped out, and they were all predicting. I mean, some people are a little aggressive, saying the bear market's going to start this year. I don't think that's the case. But there's a lot of early signals starting to creep up.
But look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it led to a bull rally.
It's got to break over 20% on that signal, and then it's a leading indicator of when a correction happens. And every single time it's occurred, there's been a crash. Every single time.
What kind of assets are you guys interested in, like pre-crash then? Like now, what kind of assets are you?
Pre-crash, you wanted to do puts. You want to buy puts.
Yes, that's what I said too. If you scroll up, that's exactly what I said. I don't know where I said it, but yeah. I'm in agreement. I think you can definitely have long puts.
Yeah, long at the money puts on SPY. By the way,
yes.
One of the biggest trades, like in your face, Frank. Remember December 2019? You were watching the news, right?
Yes.
Dude, when the Chinese government is welding people into the freaking apartments, we have planes in this day and age. It's I should I was making so much money on Tesla, I didn't think I should buy puts on SPY. Chris Camillo, Dumb Money TV, he bought $1 million in SPY puts, and made amazing money. Like it was so clear that dude, this is some serious. This is not a joke that's happening in China. But I didn't put 2 and 2 together. It's if people aren't working, things are gonna get bad fast. Okay, yeah. End of February, 24th, 18th. All through January. See, blinded by one trade and missed a put on SPY.
There's also some interesting charts out there. I don't have them in front of me that shows when interest rates start to rise and taxes start to go up, and there's just a lot of weird stuff happening, and there's a lot of weird things our government here in the U.S. is looking to do all at the same time. It's just everything about what's happening right now. It's just my spidey senses are saying some bad is coming around the corner, and I don't know what to. My gut's never been wrong, but I don't know if that's the best way to invest. I like try to tell it to shut up, and I like looking at facts and data. But yeah, there's just a lot of weirdness happening right now.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna end my YouTube stream. So I just realized I'm still streaming on here. Hold on, one second. Let me end this right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, the NFT show.
We spoke about taxes and all the